Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to create a project from a sales order without a service line in Odoo19. So, let's move to the sales module. From here, we'll create a new quotation. Just click on New to start a new quotation. Then, you can fill in the details for the required customer. And we just need to add the product details here. In earlier versions of Odoo, you could create a project only if it was a service product. But in the newer versions, even if it's not a service product, you can easily create a project. And here you can see, under the settings, there's an option to create the project. To create the project, we first need to confirm the sales order. Otherwise, it will throw an error. So to proceed, we simply confirm the sales order. After that, we can click on the settings icon and then select Create Project. Now, a pop-up window will open where we can name the project as ABC. Once we click on Create Project, the project will be created. We can then move to the Project module. In the Project module, you'll be able to find the newly created project, even without a service line. This is one of the new features in the Odoo19 project module. Thank you.